why ETDCS? See, all of us, all the faculties at ETDCS, we have recently cleared JEE. Like किसी ने 2019 में किया है, 18 में किया है, 17 में किया है. So, we have very recently given the exam, and we remember our mistakes. So I can guarantee you that we will not let you repeat our mistakes. तुम जितनी भी मेहनत करोगे उससे ज़्यादा या फिर इक्वल मेहनत हम लोग करेंगे. We are not letting you repeat the mistakes that we have cleared. Now you will say कि there are so many other online platforms. Why should I not join that? तो क्या होता है? See, I am a student of resonance quota. And what happens is you get a faculty for a particular subject. For like maths, you get a faculty. And what happens is there are some chapters that students find boring, or there are some chapters that they find कि नहीं, अगर ये वाला topic ना वो सर पढ़ाते तो अच्छा रहता. That teacher has a better understanding of this topic. So that is what we actually do here. We teach you only those topics which we have expertise in. So if I have expertise in, say, probability, or say binomial theorem, or straight lines, or fundamentals of mathematics, so I'll be teaching you only those portions. And if some other faculty from our team has expertise in, say, calculus, then he'll be teaching you that topic. So we'll make sure that we give the best of ourselves. So like this we are basically playing our ace. And one more thing that I'd like to point out, it is a very important point, that क्या होता है क्लास में, like I was one of those students. I never asked doubts. If I had a doubt, I never asked it. I would feel कि इतना silly doubt है, what will people think, people are going to judge me. First, online platform है, so you'll be anonymous. Nobody is seeing who you are, nobody is looking at your face and judging you or looking at you. So take that fear out of your mind. Secondly, I assure you that my classroom is a very safe space. Nobody is going to think कि अरे क्या पूछ लिया, या फिर इसको इतनी सी बात नहीं समझ आई. No, that is never going to happen. You don't have to think twice before asking anything to me. And we'll have WhatsApp and Telegram groups where all the time, anytime, 24/7 you can ask me your doubts, and I'll try to reply to your messages as soon as possible. So you'll be directly connected to your teachers. It generally happens you feel a very long distance, you feel like your teacher is very away from you, like वो teacher है, मैं student है. You won't feel that thing here. All of us are not very elder to you, and we understand your concerns, and we understand your difficulties, and we have been through that rigorous phase of JEE very recently. So we understand what you all are going through, and we'll be more than happy to help with whatever issues we come up with. So in the end, I'll say that I hope to see you all in my classes, and I'll assure you that we'll crack JEE together.